The world is shaking. A perfect storm of COVID-19, war in the Ukraine, and the climate crisis is shaking the foundations of life across the planet. The Governor of the Bank of England has warned that the horsemen of the apocalypse are coming for us. With rising inflation and soaring cost of living, the stability of our society is slowly unravelling. The idea that we have come from nowhere, are going nowhere, and should make the best of it by doing whatever makes us happy is no longer good enough. There is a growing feeling that our story is running out. Amidst the wreckage, many of us are starting to look for a solid foundation on which to build our lives. Is there a way to break the cycle of what goes around comes around? To know the joy of making a difference in the world? And to have something beyond shattered dreams, to look forward to tomorrow? The oldest institution in Wales, with the deepest history and richest traditions, is stirring. As the doors have reopened after being closed for the first time in 8 centuries, something has changed. The Church in Wales is recovering its historic mandate to become the Church of Wales once again by joining with others to say something into the present crisis of forgiveness for yesterday, meaning for today, and of hope for tomorrow. Where our story has run out, another better story is about to begin. The greatest story of all, which has transformed individuals and families, towns and cities across the globe. The story which has given birth to architecture and music, to literature and science. A bigger story than anything we have ever been able to write for ourselves. A better story in which there is room for us all to be who we were made to be. An old story which begins where our story ends, that the land of song shall sing again, and sunset turn to sunrise.